So if you're going to work with finding a fraction of a group, let's think about doing 2/3 of 27. What would you do next? Well, how about we start with whole numbers first? Let's say we have 3 groups of 4 stars. 1 star, 2, 3, 4. That's one group. Now we're going to make our second group of 4 stars. And our third group of 4 stars. So now we have 1, 2, 3 groups of 4 stars. And if we count all of our stars, we have 12 stars. Another way of saying that is saying 3 times 4 is 12. And that's how we work with whole numbers. So let's look at 2/3 of 27. We're going to have a group of 27 items. We're going to start with our whole group here, 27. And now we're going to think about making it into 2/3 groups. So I have one group, 2 groups, 3 groups. And I want 2/3 of my groups here. So if we look at 2/3 of 27 and we think about our whole number representation, we have 2/3 times 27. If we could go back to this model here, we'll see that if we count up 2/3 of 27, we count this row, the first row, that's 9. If we count the second row, we have 18. And the third row altogether is 27. So 2/3 of 27 would be 18. How can we do that mathematically? Well, 2/3 of 27 is the same as saying 2/3 times 27, or 2/3 times 27 over 1, because every whole number can be represented as an improper fraction where the whole number is over a single unit. If we think about using 2/3 of 27, and we multiply our numerators, 2 times 27 yields 54, 3 times 1 gives you a product of 3. So we're left with the improper fraction 54/3. How do we work with 54/3? Let's get rid of that other stuff and think about what 54/3 equals. It means the whole number 3 here into 54. We're dividing 54 by 3. So if we do that, we can say 3 divides equally into 5 one time. We're doing our long division. We're going to subtract here. We bring down our 4. And 3 divides equally into 24 8 times. And that squares with our number model that we had come up with earlier, where we have 54 divided by 3 is 18. Therefore, 2/3 of 27 is 18, or 2/3 times 27 is 18.